Okay, this is on a 2015 Nissan NV. When we end up doing installing the reverse backup camera. This is a special order mirror. Got to take off the one from factory. Thank God they make it with the bracket and everything. Okay. And then what we end up doing is the camera's right here in the back. It's in the back here where the tag frame is. Okay, that's where the backup camera. We end up installing for this particular customer. We end up installing the power door locks because the vans did not come with power locks, so we end up installing them in every door. These are the contact switches we had to install. So he's got the whole works. We did the alarm, we did the power locks, and we hooked up the backup camera. This is on a Nissan NV 2015.